my name is Amber. I will talk about football forever. Stars and Stripes are playing football champion game. Coach Delgado is angry because his team Stars is losing 2-0. Now a new and young player will play. His name is Tino. Lenda the team. Captain doesn't like Tino because he is young and new. The team doesn't pass the ball to Tino. Junior Tino's friend passes it. Tino gets a foul. Lenda scores. The score is 2-1. There 3 minutes are left. Tino scores. He scores on equalizer. They will get penalty kicks. Delgado doesn't choose Tino. Both teams get 4 points. Junior doesn't get a point. They will kick one more time. It is sudden death. Stars team goalkeeper stops the ball. Tino gets a point and the Stars team wins.